Gwerin Gwallgo is a course run by TRAC, the Folk Development for Wales organisation, and it's an opportunity for 11 to 18-year-olds to come and experience folk music to its full extent.
That's been a fantastic few days. We've just arrived on Monday. We've had quite a few sessions with them already. It's quite an intensive thing, this course, so moving from one ensemble group to another, maybe they get to choose some options throughout the day of different things they want to do, and then we've got these classes together.
On the course we have clog dancing lessons, so we have 2 of them this year. Hugh Williams is running the advanced class and then Bethan Rhiannon is running the intermediate class. Gwen Gibbard is in charge of the harps. And the fab Jordan Price Williams is doing the cello and whistle class. We also have Welsh folk singing and Branwen Haf Williams is running that. For the guitarists, Rhys Morris is doing the class this year. We have 2 fiddle classes on the course, so we've got Aneirin Jones doing intermediate and Ollie Wilson-Dixon doing the advanced class.
So in the fiddles, mainly we learn new tunes. This year we're learning more about how to accompany, how to use different techniques, creating chords, and how to embellish on our tunes as well.
In the cello class we learned a few tunes, but we also concentrated quite a bit on accompanying, so chops and chords.
So in the harp groups, we have been concentrating on learning traditional Welsh tunes, including the tunes that we will be performing in the concert at the end of the week.
I enjoy coming back because I like learning new techniques, new skills, and just enjoying.
We're about to go into the main hall and meet the big band. It's a chance for everyone to play music all together. It's one of the highlights of the week. I get to dance and play guitar all in one session.
Gwerin Gwallgo is just an amazing opportunity for anyone who has interest in the traditional Welsh music. Unfortunately, here in Wales, some areas lack young people who enjoy folk music. Therefore, people like me don't get that much chance at home to explore the Welsh folk culture. So coming here and just making so much friends from all over Wales who share the same interests as you, it's just an amazing opportunity.